I used to think that we manufactured high quality joinery on a panel saw, and it wasn't until I went to a fair in Italy that I actually saw what's possible. And from that point, I came back and ramped things up and got Microvellum and a whole range of different machinery to be able to manufacture high quality joinery. So definitely got more than I was expecting. It's got that many capabilities that it's hard to use them all, but yeah, Microvellum's been fundamental in giving us the ability to actually not only design, but then process accurate and high quality joinery. And Microvellum gives us the ability to really chop and change and create unique outcomes. Can improve our customer satisfaction by just being able to solve problems, you know. Everybody's got different circumstances or different situations or outcomes that they're looking for. We help them maybe reach limits that they weren't initially thinking they were going to take the project to. And through our ability to manage cost and manage their expectation, I think they really benefit from a great outcome at the end of the day. The functionality of Microvellum just helps us modify and adapt the joinery that we create to what they want. So in terms of their satisfaction, generally they're happy when they get what they want.